I wanted to look at a watch list day trade. This shows you the power of, just having things on your watch list. And sure, I want to make a swing trade with my watch list ideas, but sometimes a day trade emerges before or during my swing trade. So in this case, Kroger is something I've been looking at to get on the long side for a while, and it's in a pretty good trend. You notice it was actually a red candle today, but notice that lower shadow, and I was able to day trade just that lower shadow. So it wasn't like the greatest day trade in the world. I just wanted to show you that, it's above the 20, the green, and uh, it is below my 8 EMA. So it's kind of sandwiched in between there. So anyway, the market was trading up. The SPY was trading nicely. So I'm going to show you my 10-minute chart. So here's the day. You kind of bled down all day, and that's the meat of that red candle, including the lower shadow all the way into here. And what you had was you had a piercing signal. There's your P. You had a piercing signal on your 10-minute, and you had it confirmed. Now, it didn't confirm over the T line, 8 EMA, but you had a confirmation. And so you could have bought anywhere in here, right? You could have waited for this as well. And I bought a call option, and I was able to get pretty instant gratification. It was, sort of that 1 hour trade where I was able to take it from, 69.40 to about 70.10. So that's about a 70-cent upside in an hour. So not too bad, not the greatest day trade ever, but the reason I was able to catch this was, yes, I'm looking for my confirmed piercing signal, some kind of a candlestick signal at the bottom, confirmed. But I'm also just looking at the context. If you look at, again, the daily, this was something that was on my watch list. I love how it's moving. It's in a nice trend. And what sector is it in? The XLP. That's your XLP, your consumer staples. And that's also been in a decent way. But notice how, yes, it dipped in the morning, but it was trading better than Kroger, and Kroger is one of the stronger stocks in the XLP. So that's why you want to pay attention to sectors as well. And then if I'm looking at the SPY, notice the SPY was really trading well. It was trading up. And so with that context in mind, I was able to take that day trade on Kroger with the signal. Okay, so you get your context, and then you're waiting for a reversal signal that sometimes comes, and you just take it. So even though it looks like a day that there was nothing to do, it was an okay day trade. So in Kroger. All right. Well, thanks for watching. This is Candlestick Cash, and we'll be looking for more day trades in the future. Happy trading.